All right, Elephant Money Herd, Mr. Fi is back. And this time I'm coming with something that's actually going to make you guys profits. It's time to put Elephant Money, Bank Teller, Forex Shark out of business. Let's get into it. Alright guys, this morning I want to drop another quick video. Every now and then I get feedback about Elephant Money. Not that I'm seeking it or anything like that, but some of you guys kind of chime in, give me information. And hey, some cool stuff going on with Elephant Money, because look at this. Guys, this is Elephant Money and the charts are going up. Look at this, guys. But you know, you're dealing with Bank Teller. So in Bank Teller's own words, if there's doubt, then zoom out. So let's zoom out and see what happened. This is on a 15-minute time frame. Let's go to the daily and zoom out and see what we're dealing with. Okay, this is Elephant Money, guys. Yeah, look at that. Look at that chart. And you guys may remember, if you logged in months ago, I think it's in this video here, I told you guys, I warned you about it even before I created this video. I told you guys like nearly a year ago, but this video here is 5 months ago. And the chart was looking like this at the time. Well, right now we can see that same chart, Elephant Money, has continued to plummet. You guys see that? There's the chart, how it used to be. So it stopped around this point here, and it has continued to plummet, right? You guys knew this, or you should have been aware of it. If you guys didn't follow my channel, you might not have been aware, but here's a quick clip on what Bank Teller is doing to you guys. Check this out. I thought this was quite interesting. Here's Bank Teller here. And this nice woman right here represents investors in Elephant Money. And let's see what Bank Teller does. And then leave you guys running like that, hurt, broke, and everything else. Now, that's with Elephant Money. So we see that Elephant Money has just dropped, plummeted, all this type of stuff. But what's going on with Trump? I had someone post a comment like 5 months ago, say Trump is up, Trump is pumping, Trump like this. And I'm like, be careful, guys. Everything is not what it seems when it comes to Elephant Money. So let's look at what the Trump token did. All right, this is Trump. And bam. Guys, look at this. You guys that are in Elephant Money and stuff like that, you see it going up, oh, getting all hype, getting excited and everything. But I told you guys that Bank Teller is pulling some strings on the back end. And this is very revealing, because I'm going to show you something else. You know, I show you guys this in the video, and you might call me a fudder or conspiracy theorist. Hey, these things just continue to happen over and over again. So I'm just trying to wake some of you guys up, and some of you are waking up, and I'm gonna show you that in a minute. But check this out. This, whatever it is that happened, this happened on what, July the 22nd, the 23rd, and 24th. It was still kind of in that drop zone, but that's significant, guys. Someone had a big money grab here, what you guys saw in Elephant Money. It was done the same thing with Trump, right? But look at this date, July 22nd and check out when the Bitcoin conference was. That was like from July 27th through to July 25th through July 27th. And guess who was there? None other than your boy, Bank Teller. Now, I ain't chasing after this guy. I could care less what Bank Teller or anybody else in DeFi is doing. I've since moved on. But like I say, I still have people to reach out to me, drop me information. I'm not even looking for it, but I am somewhat of a type of person that I like to go down the rabbit hole and dig deeper, putting pieces of the puzzle together to kind of find out what's really going on for my own personal knowledge. But check this out. I had an email, and I will not disclose who it is. I need to make sure I blot that out. But this email was sent to me back in July 27th. Okay. And someone reached out to me, and we had a quick conversation here. And he gives me this link. He talks about this, who is this? Chris Farrell. I've never heard of him. This Shankar Poncelet, or whatever the case is. I've never heard of him. I don't follow these people. But this is interesting because he says the bank teller over there at the bank at Bitcoin conference, and I'm going to open this link real quick. Check this out. Guys, look, this bank teller over there chilling with the rest of his boys, living good, and did what? Just exploited the system. This happened on the 22nd. Guys, by the 25th, instead of trying to figure out what in the world happened and how can I restore this for my investors, this guy jumped ship and goes to the Bitcoin conference to party with the money that he just extracted from the system. Guys, come on, wake up. Wake up. I showed you similar examples of this 5 months ago, a year ago. I showed you guys similar examples of this, and he's doing the same thing over and over again. So I'm not surprised that as his token is appreciates in value, it's going to come down and drop. And eventually, all you guys are going to get worn out because he's never going to really produce anything for you. He creates systems to try to get you to put your money in, to lock up your capital, and pretty much skim money off the top. Okay, that's his pattern of doing things. And if you guys that are in Elephant Money and all of the other different protocols that he tries to create continue to do that, well, you're going to be subject to significant losses. So I have one other thing I would like to share with you guys, because there are a few of you that are really waking up. And trust me, guys, I'm not doing this stuff to be arrogant or to bash or to FUD or anything like that. I just can't stand scammers, especially when they are out taking the money of hard working people, putting our money in and then taking it, right? As if it belongs to them, or they own everything that, or they're entitled to take everything that we have. So shout out to my boy Computer Science Cero, since he posted some information in the comment section of one of my older videos. I think I can share it out here because it is public information. But he is waking up. So he actually started in Elephant Money, started putting some in, and it actually got into futures. I think he put in like $200 in futures. And he has jumped ship. You guys didn't listen to me when I was just out saying what was going on, trying to get you guys to wake up and understand what's happening. So I go to the next level and build a system where you guys can actually earn money, right? Still, a lot of you guys want to stay with the bank tellers and Forex Shark and all these other quote unquote DeFi people that have no clue on what they're doing, have no clue on how to generate or build a system that is actually going to benefit all of the end users, not just a few. And let's see what my boy has to say. Big shout out to him. He say, all jokes aside, after I found your videos and your platform, I immediately stopped buying any other coin and stopped all DeFi hunting and started to buy BTC only. This is key, guys. If you were going to invest your capital, do it in a cryptocurrency that you know is going to be around for years to come. Okay. Do it in one that has stood the test of time, that is continuously over the course of time appreciating in value, and not these crap tokens like elephant money and drip and token and what is it, trunk tokens and stuff like that, because those are losing assets. You are going to lose your money. And then you have to contend with rug pulls. You have to contend with shiesty developers that are scraping money off the top to benefit themselves with no regard for you. So understand, this is quite pleasing to me, because this is why I've been putting these videos out here. This is why Drip Coach has been putting the videos out there, because we always want to keep eyeballs, or have new investors keep their eyeballs on the shystiness that are going on in these DeFi platforms. So big shout out to you, my brother, and you are going to save a lot of money by not investing anything else in BT's protocols. Okay. So he's waiting to get his funds together, and he will be shooting over to my platform. He says this about the platform. He says, I have been 100% transparent with the info and have shown I've shown you guys the walkthrough, and it all makes sense. My boy here is doing his due diligence. He's doing his research, so he understands now what he's investing in, as opposed to all these other projects, right? Invest in BTC and expect to get paid in BTC and not monopoly money. And he's still in the process of learning. But once I become a seasoned user of the platform and understand it 100%, I will bring it to my family, friends, and my Latino Hispanic community. Perfect. And this is what we're doing. We're building legit systems, legit brand behind it, and doing things to look out for all of us, not just a few influencers that jump in, or not just the developers themselves. We are looking out for everybody. So it's your choice, guys. I just wanted to post this video to keep you guys aware of what's going on in the space with Bank Teller, as I'm getting these recent updates and stuff like that to keep you aware. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and we'll holler on the next one. Peace out.